Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a show and tell. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys all 10 styles of our mink lashes that we offer at Billionaire Beauty. You guys have seen me showcase some of these lashes in a few of my most recent makeup tutorials. So I thought it would be great to come and show you guys exactly what my brand is about and some of the products that we offer. So if you guys are interested in knowing more, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start off by showing you guys how I actually package my lashes. So as you guys can see, each lash style is actually written on the side of the box. It's a great way for me to know which lash style is which, and it looks aesthetically pleasing. As for the front of the box, the Billionaire Beauty logo is of course front and center, and then we have that subheading that these are 100% handmade mink eyelash extensions. Now as for the box, this is actually a drawer box in which we have that beautiful black satin tab that we use to open the drawer, and that drawer is actually completely covered in glitter, and as you guys can see, the inside of the drawer is actually covered with silver glitter just so that you can see the details of whichever lash style. So now on to our first lash style. This is Rich. This is one of my favorite pairs to wear. I love it because it's super dark, full, and wispy. So these would have even lash hairs unlike some of our other pairs, and of course a little bit of spacing along the lash line to add dimension. I love these for a super dramatic eyeshadow look. These complement the eyeshadow look just because that spacing along the lash line does still allow you to see your eyeshadow through your lash, and it looks so good together. Now our next lash style is Cash Queen. Cash Queen is another fan favorite. This one is actually, of course, a wispy lash, and it tapers from shortest to longest. This is best for people who like a more softer look, but it still is one of our more dramatic pair. This lash also pairs so beautifully with a winged eyeliner, just because it already has that cat eye effect. So if you guys have chinky eyes or smaller eyes, these would look beautiful on you, especially if you want something longer without it looking overbearing. Next we have Charisma. Charisma is for my beauties who love something natural. I love this one on days where I don't want to do a lot of makeup or I want something a little bit more subtle. It's nice and wispy, so it gives you that natural effect like all of our lashes do, but it's on the thinner, shorter side for those who are new to lashes. Now we have Dream Queen. Dream Queen is another fan favorite. It tapers from shortest to longest, just like Cash Queen. However, overall, this is a longer pair of lashes. So this is for somebody who's a little bit more comfortable wearing a little bit of length, and it has a nice medium wispy fullness. Now we have Paid Princess. Paid Princess is probably my second favorite pair. This one is again one of those lashes that has pretty even hairs. On the outer and inner corners, the hairs are a little bit more wispy, but this is a very wispy lash with lots of spacing along the lash line to give you lots of dimension. So now we have Boss Babe. I love Boss Babe too. This one is for my ladies who do love something on the natural side, or for when you're going for a more natural look, but you still want a little bit of drama. This looks really cute on the eye. It kind of gives you that spiky effect. So if you're into very spiky, wispy like looks, then Boss Babe would definitely be the lash style for you. So now we have Wife Type. This one is another fan favorite. I love it because it's kind of the best of all worlds. It's definitely a wispy lash, however it is on the longer side, and it has those nice long even hairs. This would compare to kind of like a hybrid or a classic set in like actual mink extension. So I love Wife Type. I feel like you can wear it with absolutely any look. So now we have Vanity. Vanity is another super wispy lash. This one definitely has more uneven hairs, but still follows that cat eye look. I love this one because, again, it pairs so great with cat or winged eyeliner, or for those days where you kind of want more of that sexy, chinky, like almond shaped eye. So Vanity is one that you can wear every day or with eyeshadow or eyeliner. So now we have Kiss My Class. So this one is absolutely my favorite lash. This has been the lash that I was wearing since day one. Okay, so I wear this when I'm wearing eyeshadow, when I'm wearing eyeliner, or if I'm not wearing any makeup at all. Kiss My Class is my absolute favorite. I love these ones because they have super uneven hairs, which I love. So it gives them that really, really wispy look. So if you guys like super dark, super wispy eyelashes like me, then this would probably be the pair you would want to go for. I promise you, you cannot go wrong with Kiss My Class. So last but definitely not least, we have Le Flare. So Le Flare is our longest, most dramatic set. So Le Flare is for my girls who do not mind a super, super long lash. I think this lash measures at about 25 millimeters. It's super long, and as you guys can see, super wispy. You can even stack these lashes a few times to add some drama to them. So these are for my girls who are not scared of a little bit of attention. So this is actually the final pair of all 10 styles of our lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this show and tell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.